Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. Welcome to Dual English Academy once again. So, in our studio today, the guest name is Saiful Islam. So, Saiful Islam, how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. So, today I will give you a challenge. The challenge is I will give you 20 sentences. You have to speak those sentences in English, but I will speak you in Bangla.
Yes.
You will not get enough time to think about the grammar rules of those sentences. You have to speak those sentences in English without thinking the grammar functions. So let's check you are able to speak those sentences or not. So let's start. Are you ready?
Yes, I am ready.
Okay. The first sentence is for you. আমি আমার দিনটা তাড়াতাড়ি শুরু করি।
I start my day early.
Wow, nice delivery from you. আমি প্রতিদিন সকালে কফি খাই।
I drink coffee every morning.
Wow, fantastic. কাজের আগে আমি ফোন চেক করি।
I check my phone before work.
ফিট থাকতে আমি হাঁটি।
I walk to stay fit.
Wow, fantastic from you. আমি পরিবার নিয়ে সময় কাটাই।
I spend time with my family.
Wow, fine. আমি মোটিভেশনাল কোটস পড়ি।
I read motivational quotes.
Wow. আমি একটা দৈনিক রুটিন অনুসরণ করি।
I follow a daily routine.
Oh, wow, that's correct. আমি কঠোর পরিশ্রমে বিশ্বাস করি।
I believe in hard work.
That's correct. আমি দিনের জন্য প্রস্তুত হচ্ছি।
I getting.
Listen. So in this case, আমি দিনের জন্য প্রস্তুত হচ্ছি. That means it is continuous. So I am getting ready for the day, right? I am getting ready for the day. Okay. So if I analyze your performance, you have already delivered 10 sentences without thinking grammar. Your performance was 95% out of 100, and I think it is a better from you. You have made one mistake only. That's fantastic. Then we will give you another 10 sentences, and let's check you are able or not to speak those sentences. So the 11 number question is for you. আমি এখন আমার মেসেজ চেক করছি।
I am checking my messages now.
Very good, fantastic delivery from you. আমি মজাদার কিছু রান্না করছি।
I am cooking something delicious.
Wow, fantastic. আমি নতুন ইংরেজি প্যাটার্ন শিখছি।
I am learning new English pattern.
I am learning new English pattern. So in this sentence, I have noticed that there is a silly mistakes in pronunciation. I hope in future you will be more better than today. It's no problem, but your performance is good. Okay. Then আমি একটু বিরতি নিচ্ছি।
I am taking a short break.
Wow, fine. আমি আমার ডেস্ক গুছাচ্ছি।
I am organizing my desk.
আমি তোমার রিপ্লাইয়ের জন্য অপেক্ষা করছি।
I am waiting for your reply.
Okay, you have performed very well for this session. So this is very first session for you in your life. So in this sense, it can be clearly said that your performance is so good. And if you practice daily, and if you stay with Dual English Academy, and if you follow the instructions of Dual English Academy, and if you complete which task is given by Dual English Academy regularly, so I hope in future you will be a very confident English speaker. It is needless to see that you have much ability skills. So it can be said without any hesitation that without thinking grammar, your translation was nice. Thank you, Saiful. Welcome again.
Yes.